Hey everybody, missed uploading for a few days there. I was very ill and needed to recover. I was having a hard time having energy doing anything. Anyhow, continuing on, just taking out whatever we can out of the RV here. Currently taking strips off that the cabinets were attached to. Gonna work on getting the carpet off the edges of the bracing and see what's going on under there. Taking the wall panels off around the bathroom and seeing what's going on there. A lot of exploratory in this video, just trying to figure out what the next steps are gonna be. Right now I'm just taking off the wall panels around that window and up against the back side of the bathroom. So here I am starting to tear the carpet off that frame that separates the box from the house. Taking off more wall paneling. If you wonder why I'm bouncing around like I am, a lot of it is simply due to the fact that when this was installed and then reinstalled, somebody else came in again. It's just different layers and trying to figure out how everything is attached and how best to detach it. It's kind of a piece-by-piece process. So we have one of our best bits of good news here. And this is intact. It's decent wood. Also, the water damage in this section seems to be far less. So it's possible that this wall here might still be good. Won't know till we get it all uncovered, but signs of hope. joy of all joys, we can see here that we have foam insulation coating the roof. This definitely isn't great. It's not terrible. As long as it's doing its job and it's insulating and sealing, I'll have to inspect the joists for rot. That's unfortunately the only way that we're going to be able to tell the state of any boards in the roof. So here I am moving on to the panels around the door frame. I took the door off camera. Sorry, forgot to hit record. Anyhow, you see the hole I opened up in the ceiling up above. Yeah, just taking off everything that I can, gutting it all as best we can. Still haven't figured out those appliances yet. Figure out something.
Tight in here. I didn't record while I was going. I'll show you what I did here now. Just popping screws of all this trim. Once we get that trim off and get the faucet gone here, unscrew those and probably cut those off. We will be able to get this tub out of here and take out the walls.
Sorry for the abrupt end to today's video, but that is what we've got. See y'all in the next one.